New machine. Test uno. Ready for takeoff. How much confidence do we have? Wat doe jij?
As you can see, we got the glass up all in one piece. So next up we're going to be unloading these so we can take the steel frame off, because otherwise we're going to be installing the panels, and yeah, we still need to be able to get the frame down. So. After 30-40 minutes of intense lifting, finally got all the plates up. Next up is placing them into the wall.
Gaat goed allemaal hier? Professional is het ook zo.
Hij gaat helemaal nul. Ja, wij zijn professionals.
Heb je nog zin in?
Zo moet die omhoog houden.
Nou, hierom?
Omdat Jesse weer verkeerd heeft gemeten.
Waarom heb je slijptol? We zijn glas aan het plaatsen. Waarom heb je slijptol vast?
Omdat die man weer verkeerd heeft gemeten. Hij heeft gemeten.
We hebben nog 4 minuten op de SD-kaart. Vind je dit echt de beste 4 minuten die we kunnen beparken?
Ja. Quick interruption. I'll continue in a minute. I just want to let you guys know that we have been reading all the comments. We need to get some better microphones. However, please keep in mind we're completely new at this. We have just been winging it and going along as we speak. However, better microphones are coming, but the next couple of episodes have been filmed a few weeks ago, so the sound isn't too good on those. So either way, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.
The next day.
So we're back here. The glass wall is installed except one panel, which we did on purpose. So now it's time for the next step, and it's already turning into a huge fiasco. So here we have all the stuff we need for the white epoxy floor. So primer, the floor itself, brushes and stuff. But as you can see, there's a disc here. We hired a sanding machine for the floor, but it turns out it wasn't aggressive enough. And Jesse's currently on his way back to the business that closes at 12:30. And otherwise we don't have a machine for the next 3 days because it's Christmas. So hopefully he gets it, and then we can get started with sanding. New machine. Test uno. Ready for takeoff. How much confidence do we have? Wat doe jij? I think a fuse popped. It feels almost like your car again.
Let's not talk about this.
En? Gaat het werken?
Ja, kijk, weet je wat het is? Als het net zo opdroogt als de auto's van de buren, dan werkt het niet.
The next day.
Okay, so it's now the next day. After the sanding of the floor, we cleaned everything, even the walls. They look more black than usual. So what I'm doing right now is masking off these areas that we don't want to get paint on, or floor, or how you want to call it. And then we can get started. We're gonna do the primer, one layer, and then within 24 hours we need to do the first layer of the floor, which is all this stuff. And then yeah, we have a nice floor finally. So yeah, let's finish up some bits and then we can get started, get the time lapse on.
Oké, nog een keer. Ja, echt.
Yeah?
Ja.
Okay, so we moved everyone's car here because the floor is finally hard enough to put cars on. So we have Mark's car. We've never seen this one before because it's always in the shed. Jesse's car, which we know. My car. And then the Jesse's Ultimate Baby Project.
Oh, even vanaf de goede kant filmen.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the plan?
Alright, so the past couple of days we've really done a lot. The floor is done, the upstairs is almost done. We still need to put some furniture in, some carpet. But yeah, we've really done a lot. And while it's not completely done, we already wanted to have the cars in because we're impatient. So we really want to see the cars in. So we moved over all the cars, a bunch of shit. And yeah, now we're on the home stretch doing the final bits of construction, carpet, furniture, that sort of stuff still needs to go upstairs, and we still need to have a bunch of tools down here. But for the most part, we're really getting close to the finished product.
Grote blij.
Ja?
Kan die op staan?
Ja. Alleen voor de show. Kan je hierop staan dan?
Nee.
Nou, is ook alleen voor de show.
Ja.
Dus.
Is vast.
Wat is dit dan?
Arrow. Coming soon.
Arrow.
Arrow.
Oh ja. Maar deze kant
Je
wel.
ziet ook dat deze mist. Die was ik nog niet klaar.
En er mist wel meer.
Zo voor jou ook nog gemist.
Hey.
Die mist iets, die mist iets, die mist iets, die mist iets.
Die moet nog gespoten worden.
Die is normaal vol.
Nee,
Hier is lak.
vanaf hier is hij gewoon mooi.
Ja.
Ja, dat...
Hier mist iets. Stoeprandje geraakt.
Een stoeprandje, ik heb een polo geraakt. Goed zo. Goed. Alright, so this is the upstairs area. I've already probably told this a million times before, but the idea is to make a lounge here. The important part is you can sit here, look at your cars down there. Like that's the entire idea. That's the only idea we had. So we're gonna make a lounge here, TV, sofa, race sim. We're gonna have a little kitchen area here, or at least a refrigerator for all the Red Bull. And there's gonna be a little glass wall here. Some gaming stations. Office. So yeah, that's gonna be there.
This is for all your Facebook Marketplace searchings, business inquiries.
This is where bad ideas grow into worse ideas.
Yeah.
But yeah, so today we're gonna try and put some carpet down because fuck the wood. We just want to have some nice and cheap, you know. So we don't have to go home anymore.
Basically.
That's the idea. So yeah, again, cut to the footage.
So what's the steps?
Fuck if I know. I've never done this before.
We'll see.
Just roll it out.
Just roll it out and see.
It can't be much harder than laying down a carpet, right?
Zit hier.
Dit is quick access. Je kan een makkelijk wijsje je onderhoud doen.
Oh ja,
Dus ik heb een flapje gemaakt. Je ziet, het is gewoon goed.
slim.
So yeah, today we finished the carpet.
Today.
Well, the past couple of days, really.
This is day 3 of carpeting.
Yeah, day 3. And it's 4 pieces, so it's like 1 piece a day, approximately. Not taking into account McDonald's and watching
Painting.
TikTok.
Yeah, painting half of the railing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, we finished all of this shit. Put the carpet in with some painting.
Ja.
Ja, gaat goed?
Ja, ja.
Ja, oké. Ja, zeg niks.
Oké.
And we put in the couch.
The couch, hè?
The most important part, the couch.
Didn't we film the couch? No, we didn't.
And this is where I'm gonna be living.
Yeah. We still need to get the TV.
Yeah.
Small
TV.
Small TV.
Minimum 82 inches.
Exactly, that's what she said.
That's what she said.
Here we marked up the area where we're gonna put the kitchen-ish. It's just a Red Bull refrigerator, a rough estimate. And this is sort of the...
Sort of what? Sort of what?
Empty space?
No. There's 2 spaces. One for my sim rig, and
yeah?
another one for your sim rig. Which
My sim rig?
yeah,
Oh.
it's 2, you know.
Yeah.
A pair of sim rigs.
Yeah, one is not good.
Yeah.
We always need 2.
Everything good comes in pairs, like track cars, S54s, sim rigs, 1 piece of shit. I mean, sorry Mark.
That's why it's parked in the corner.
Cut to the Snapchats of
all the rust.
You'll see.
Oil. Rust, oil.
Rust, oil, asbestos.
The only thing this car doesn't have is jackpots.
Follow me. We're gonna go shopping. He's not sure on what it's gonna be yet, but I think it's a track car, because I mean, there's his inboedel.
Yeah, inboedel, yeah.
And there's
new exhaust. Super sprint. Nice. Oh.
I think
it's clean.
I think
What is it?
it's a special cloth for cleaning all the oil stains off the floor. Well, now for something. Oh wait, did we already show the? Here it is.
Nice headliner.
No more sagging headliners. He just paid the asphalting company. But now,
Crème de la crème.
what do we have here?
The homeless man lives here.
This is,
Yeah, flashlight.
this is Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
Ooh, subwoofer boy.
He has some balls leaving the new battery connected.
He's up to some dirty stuff. I mean,
Yeah.
Look at those dirty glass. Ooh.
What's that brown color?
We're not that close to the sea.
No.
Alright, so we'll save the rest for another
Yeah, save the rest for another video.
It's fine. You'll see the rest of the goodies when it's on the lift.
Oei.
Talking about the lifts, we're gonna have 2 lifts here. We work on both our pieces of shit at the same time, because, I mean, chances are they'll be broken at the same time, obviously. So yeah, all in all, we really did a lot. Floor's done, the glass is done, mostly.
Oh. I cleaned that one, you see.
Waarom is dit niet zwart?
Daar ben je nu mee bezig, maat. Rustig.
Het hele idee was dat het zwart is, dat het niet van boven van de vier.
Ik ben er nog mee bezig. So, what's next?
So that's gonna be it for now. And the next episode we'll be focusing on putting in the bridges. Hopefully work on getting some workbenches there, because
It's a bit empty still.
check all. Because if there's one reason alone why we bought this company or why we bought this building is because I'm tired of working on the floor.
Yeah.
So first things first, bridges, workbenches, get some furniture up there, so there's no more reason to go home. And then we'll actually get to some car stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Car stuff soon.